Are you a business owner needing efficient waste disposal during renovations, cleanouts, demolitions, or just a general tidy up? Look no further. Welcome to Silverback Haulers, your go-to solution for roll-off dumpster rentals in Cincinnati, Ohio. At Silverback Haulers, we understand that businesses come in all shapes and sizes, as do their waste disposal needs. That's why we offer a variety of roll-off dumpster sizes to fit the specific requirements of your business. From small-scale cleanouts to large-scale renovations, we've got the perfect dumpster for you. Whether transforming your workspace, decluttering, or tackling a major project, having a reliable waste disposal plan is crucial. Renting a roll-off dumpster from Silverback Haulers can make all the difference in keeping your business space clean and organized. No more worrying about waste during renovations. Our dumpsters are designed to handle everything. Our professional team ensures that the waste is disposed of properly, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to focus on what matters most, your business. So, whether you're renovating, cleaning out, demolishing, or tidying up, choose Silverback Haulers for the roll-off dumpster Cincinnati, Ohio businesses rely on. Booking a roll-off dumpster rental in Cincinnati, Ohio, can be a game changer. Visit our website at www.silverbackhaulers.com or call 513-833-7144 to schedule the roll-off dumpster to keep your space waste-free. Silverback Haulers, your partner in efficient waste management.